Ukulele number 2. So you're playing the so-called harmony, but really you're just playing the second melody, okay? So let's break it down. We have our A section and we have 2 parts for each section, okay? So our first half of the A section, so we're gonna start off with a nice G major chord. So index on the 2, ring on the 3, middle on the 2, 2 on the C, 3 on the E, 2 on the A. Okay? And we're gonna give that a strum. 1, 2. Now, as the second ukulele, you have to be very keen on the time, okay? Because you're gonna have a lot of space in between notes. It might seem easier, but it's not really easier because you have to keep in time with the space. And if you come in too early, come in too late, it'll be very obvious, okay? So we start off with a G chord. 1, this is our count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, go. Strum. All right, then I go 0, 2 on the A. So strum, 0, 2. I just lift my middle finger and put it back on. Then I go to the 3rd fret. 1, 2, hold that for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 2nd fret. 1, 2, 3. Then I go up to the 5th fret of the E. 1, 2, 3. Then the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. Pretty easy so far. So strum, wait, 0, 2, go to the 3. 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. All right. So we then, after we go to that, we take it pinky on the 5th fret of the A. So pinky, index, so 5, 2. Alright, so I go 5, 2, then 3 on the E string with my middle finger. 5, 2, 3, 5. Try it again. 5, 2, 3, 5. Then I grab that 2nd fret of the C string. 5, 2, 3, 5. Grab. So after I grab that note, I do this quick succession of notes. Alright, so I go from here, 2nd fret of the C, I skip over to the 3rd fret of the A. I go 3, 2 on the A, then 5 on the E, then back to the 2 on the A. Boom, ba, ba, boop, ba, ba, boop, ba, boop. Alright, so boop, ba, ba, boop, ba. Then right there we've started the second half of our A section. Alright, boop, ba, ba, boop, ba. So let's put that first half of our A section. 3, go. G. 0, 2, then A, 3, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, grab, da, da, do, da, second half. So in that second part, so we're going to go 2, 5, 3, 2, 3. All right, so 2, 5, 3, 2, 3. 2 on the A, 5, 3 on the E, then 2 on the A, 3 on the E, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3. Right underneath on the 3rd fret of the A string with our middle finger. Then we have a quick succession of notes. Alright, so da, 3, so 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2, climb up a string, 5, 3, 5. So da, do, da, 2 underneath, 2, 2, 3, da, 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 da. Then you land back on that 5th fret of the E string, which is our A note. Da, 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 A. Then we go F sharp, G, which is a 2, 3. From that quick succession of notes. 2, 3. So 2, 3. We finish off the A section. 2, 3, 5 on the A. Skip back that 2nd fret of the C, and then 3rd fret on the E string. Classic ending. Classic ending. So that second half of the A section is, let's take it from that quick succession that takes us there. Let's take it from that quick succession that takes us there. Underneath. 3. Here we go. 1, 2. Let's go. Classic ending. let's try that whole A section together. 1, 2, go. Strum. Let's go. We're going to play the whole thing twice, just because the repetition will help us really solidify it in our brain. Then we go 5, 2, 3, 5. Here we go. 5, 3. Underneath. F sharp, G classic ending. Repeat, strum. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Underneath, here it comes. Here. F sharp, G, classic ending. Alright, so practice that really well. It's not as hard. It's like when you think it's just getting, this is too much, it's actually just the ending. You've just reached the ending, okay? So that's the A section. Let's now take it to our B section. Nice and a bit interesting in terms of time. So watch this. We're going to go middle finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. We're going to hold that for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. Then right behind it, so that's the F sharp note. So 1, 2, 3, F sharp, 2, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so after that I go on the 4th fret of the C string. I go with my ring finger, and then my middle finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the E string. So I go from that string to the 3rd fret of the E string, back to that string. So do, da, do. Then I grab the 5th fret of the E with my pinky. So it's 4, 3, 4, 5. So G, F sharp, here we go. 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. Alright, so we go 5, we hold that. So 1, 2, 5, 5, 2, 3. Then that's our B section. So what we're doing there is, so 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. I go to the A string, 2, 5, 4, 5 on the A string. 2 with my index finger, 5 with my pinky, 4 with my ring, 5 with my pinky. Then I climb up to the E string, so 2, 5, 4, 5, climb up to the E, 2, 5, 5, 2, 5 on the E string, then 5 on the A string. 2, 5, 5. So slowly from that triple 5 note, so 5, 5, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, 2, 5, 5. Slowly, 5, 5, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, 2, 5, 5. Then that's our B section right there. So after I reach that 5, 2, 5, 5, I skip a string, go back to that 2nd fret of the C string that we love. Then a string skip there. Alright, so 2nd fret of the C, then 3rd fret of the A, 2nd fret of the A. And when we reach that 2nd fret of the A, we are in our B section. We are in the 2nd half of our B section. Alright, so let's try that first half really slow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, 3, 2. Again. 2, 3. I'm just saying the beats. 5, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, 3, 2. So many numbers. I might get tongue twisted. Alright, so once we get to this 2, we go immediately. There's no breaks. Doom. 2nd half of the B section. So I go 2, 5, 2. Alright, so doom. 2, 5, 2 with my index pinky. Then I move the index finger up to the 3rd fret. And now I go 3, 7, 2. Alright, so far for our B section we have, for the 2nd half of our B section we have 2, 5, 2, 3, 7, 3. Then we go back to the 2, and we just go behind the scale. We're going to go 2, 5, 3. So that's a 2 on the A, 5, 3 on the E string. So far for that B section. 2, 5, 2, 3, 7, 3, 2, 0, or 2, 5, 3. You can play that 2, 0 or 2, 5. It's the same note. 2, 5, 3, 5. Go to the 5 on the A. Do, 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 5. Rest. So you play that 5 for 2 beats. 5, 2, rest. Okay, we're almost at the end of that B section. So let's put that second half of the B section up until there. So 2, 5, 2, 3, 7, 2, 2, 5, 3, 5, rest. So that 5, rest. Then you stop it. So it's only going to ring for 2 beats. So 1, 2, rest. Then we go to our index finger on the 2nd fret of that C, that we love it. So we're going to go 2, and we hold that for 2 beats. 1, 2. Then we play the 2nd fret right underneath it of the E string. 1, 2, da, do, da, do, da, da, do, da, da, do. Pretty confusing there, but it doesn't have to be. What we're going to do is 1, 2, play the string underneath. Then we go for these like stair things. So that 4, 3, 4 on the C, 3 on the E string. So 1, 2, da, da, da. So 1, 2, string underneath, da, then 4, 3. Remember C, E on the 4, 3. So doom, 2, da, do, da. Once we get there for that 4, 3, we go right behind it. 2, 3. All right. 2, 3. Then I play this string. It's going to be like in a G shape. So if you actually hold that G shape, you'll be fine. So go 2, 3, 2nd fret of that A string. So 2, 3, da, do, da, da. That's our B note. Back to that 2nd fret of our A C string. And then to the 3rd fret of our E string. Then back to that 2nd fret. We finish like that. So it's like down here, 2nd fret of the C, 3rd fret of the E, back to the 2nd fret of the C, all the way to the top. So you go from here to the bottom, back to the ring, then go back up. So slowly. Again. All right, let's put that whole B section together. That 2nd half of that B section, not the whole thing, the 2nd half. So from the 2, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2. One more time. 5. Walk it back. Rest. 2. F sharp, G. So once we go that F sharp, G, this note is actually B, okay? F sharp, G, B, and this 2nd fret of the C is actually our D note. So F sharp, G, B, D, G, D, then high G. All right, let's put that whole B section together. Hopefully you're still with me. And if you're not, just practice it. Trust me, I know it can be very mentally draining, but once you practice it and you get it good, you will be satisfied and you'll be very grateful that you stuck with it, okay? This is a song that's here to challenge us. All right, so now let's go for both sections, but this time we're going to use a metronome. The first level I'm going to play at 90 BPM. It's a little bit slower, so it can help us just get those parts really good. And then the second time through, we're going to play at 120 BPM, okay? So the first time I'm going to play at 90 BPM, and we're going to do each section twice so we can really solidify it in our parts. If we only do it once and we think, oh, we're done, okay, fair enough, you did it, but is it really stuck in your brain? If you do it twice, every single time, you'd have always done double. So imagine you did it 4 times and you only played each part once. If you did it twice, you'd have played it how many times? 8 times. So you'll always be better off if you do the double. So we're going to do our first level at 90 BPM and our second level at 120. Only go to 120 if you're 100% confident at 90, okay? So this is our metronome at 90 BPM. 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, strum. 3. Walk it back. F sharp, G. Repeat. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. F sharp, G, B, C, D. Second half, second section, B section. 1, 2, those stairs. 5, 5, 5, 2, 3. Second half of that B section. Rest. 1, 2. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Up. 2, 3. 2, 5, 4, 5, 2, 5. Rest. 2. B, D, G, D, high G. And for that last high G, you can even strum it. All right. So if you're good with that 90 BPM, let's take it to 120. So here's our 120 BPM. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, get ready. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, go. 2, 3. Repeat and strum. Nice long notes. Underneath. F sharp, G, B, C, D, low D, G, second B section. Two, 3. Rest. 1, 2. Repeat. That B section comes in immediately. 5, 5. Rest. 2. Woo. All right, that was fun. But definitely a little bit quick. And if you want, take a metronome and go even faster. It is up to you. You can do it, just put the time into it, all right? And then it gets even more interesting when you put your partner along. So really make sure you know your parts, all right? Have fun practicing.